Alright, Zabir Taylor here, man of the match performance in the central midfield. Zabir, how do you evaluate your team performance and your individual performance on today's game?
I think we were a little bit slow to start off, but once the leaders of the team and the coach told the players to calm down, eventually got in the game. And for me personally, I feel like I was a bit slow to start too, and then I got into the game, became more attacking, playing more through passes, and was good defensively as well.
It was 0-0 at first half. What was the instruction from the coach? Because I know that the coach is the type of person who's kind of intricate in certain aspects of the game. What was the instruction from him to the team and specifically to you?
For the team, they were playing very defensively, so he told us to press. Jordi doesn't play a pressing game, but for this game he told us to play a pressing game and just pressure.
Did he give you any special instruction? Because I realized you started to play a little bit deeper than you played in the first half and kind of get on the ball a lot more and having a more control of the midfield.
No, that was up to me. I just felt personally I needed to get in the game more and gain more confidence by getting on the ball.
And very good performance, Mr. Taylor, and see you for the next one.